If you want to format your Telegram messages on a PC and grab customer attention, this video is going to help you do it the easy way. Whether you're sending promotions, support replies, announcements, or customer updates, good formatting can make your message far easier to read and much more likely to get noticed. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram desktop on your PC and go to the chat where you want to send your message. The first way to format text is by using the right-click menu. Type out your message first, then highlight the text you want to change. Once it's selected, right-click on it. You'll see formatting options appear. Hover over those options and choose what you want, such as bold, italic, underline, or strike-through. This is a quick and beginner-friendly way to style your message without needing to remember any special symbols. For example, if you want to make an important offer stand out, highlight the sentence and choose bold. If you want to add a softer note or a subtle emphasis, use italic. If you need to separate key points, underline can help draw attention. And if you want to show something as removed or outdated, strike through works well too. The goal is to make your message easier to scan at a glance. Now let's look at the second method, which uses special markdown symbols. This is great if you want to format quickly while typing. For bold text, type 2 asterisks, then your text, and then 2 more asterisks with no spaces in between. So the structure looks like double stars, your text, double stars again. As soon as the message is sent, Telegram will turn that into bold formatting. This is especially useful if you're writing a lot of messages and want a faster workflow. You can also use other markdown style formatting depending on what you need, but bold is one of the most effective tools when you're trying to catch customer attention. It works best for pricing, deadlines, offers, instructions, or the most important part of your message. Just remember to keep it clean and not overuse formatting because too much styling can make a message look cluttered instead of professional. To make your Telegram messages even more effective, structure them clearly. Start with a strong heading or opening line that tells the customer what the message is about. Then use short paragraphs or bullet points to break information into easy-to-read sections. If you're sharing an offer, list the benefit first. If you're giving instructions, keep each step simple and direct. Clear structure helps the reader understand your message faster and keeps their attention longer. You should also use strong calls to action. For example, instead of ending with a vague sentence, tell the customer exactly what to do next. You might say, reply now, click the link below, send us your order number, or contact us today for more details. A clear call to action can make a huge difference in how people respond to your message. Another helpful tip is to keep your messages concise. In Telegram, customers often skim before they read, so your formatting should help important information stand out immediately. Use bold for key points, keep paragraphs short, and make sure the main action is obvious. That combination can make your messages feel more polished and much more persuasive. So, to recap, if you want to format Telegram messages on PC, you can either use the right-click formatting menu or use special symbols like double stars for bold. Then build your message with clear headings, simple bullet points, and a strong call to action so it grabs customer attention fast. If you found this useful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials that save you time and help you work smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.